Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Take out the power connector. To do this, pull horizontally on the terminal's red tab. You can use a hook to help you. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. To change the brake light bulb, push in and unscrew it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tabs should open up and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the plastic wing nut back in and fix it by hand. Finally, plug the electricity connector back in and lock its place by putting the coloured tab back. Close the access flap. Operation completed.